My aloe vera was dying and yellow. I heard baking soda can save it. Today I am testing this crazy hack. Comment if you will try this hack. Like and share with plant lovers. Subscribe for more zero-cost tips. I tried baking soda on aloe vera. Crazy results. This is how my plant looked before. All leaves turning brown and weak roots were not growing at all. I took 1 spoon baking soda from kitchen, mixed it with water in bottle. Nothing fancy, just simple home item. How to use 1 tsp baking soda plus 1 liter water. Spray once every 15 days. Baking soda benefits for aloe vera. 1 kills fungus, wipes out brown, black spots and powdery mildew on leaves. 2 balances pH, fixes soil pH so aloe absorbs nutrients better. 3 repels pests, keeps mealybugs and fungus gnats away naturally. 4 boosts growth, makes leaves shiny, green and thicker. 5 stops root rot, neutralizes extra moisture so roots don't rot. Pour the mixture slowly near roots, not on leaves, only soil. Waited and watched what happens. First day nothing changed. Third day small green spots appeared. Plant started looking alive again. After 1 week, see this transformation. Yellow leaves turn dark green, new baby leaves coming out fast. Baking soda really works for aloe. Zero cost, zero effort. Try this and thank me later. Comment if you will try this hack. Like and share with plant lovers. Subscribe for more zero-cost tips.
Cold drink.